into it on the drawing. Yeah. So plant cells have chloroplast. Chloroplast is where the photosynthesis happens. That's why plants can make their own food for themselves. They don't have to eat. They get sunlight, they get water, they get nutrients from the soil, and they can make their own food in the form of sugar. And they give off oxygen. Thank God for you, because you need oxygen to survive. Thank those plants for that oxygen. All right. Anything else, Aya? Questions, Aya, about her drawing process? Go ahead, Kelly.
So how did you draw it? You don't need your computer. We're gonna use mine.
I was gonna say it's pretty big. That'd be tough to trace. So she must have freehanded it. So it took some time. It took some time to make those diagrams, right? Again, make sure when you're doing the projects though, and like I told 61. Stop it. Why? I told you don't argue with people while you're out there. Listen to me. Like I told 61, if you put words into your project, you chose to put them in there. So if you don't even know what a word means, but you put it in your project, that's on you for putting it in there. I had a group that was putting 8th grade vocabulary into their project, and they were trying to talk about it, but they really didn't know what they were talking about because they were copy and pasting stuff. And I'm like, well, listen, you put it in your project. I didn't put it in there for you. If you put something in your project, you should be prepared to talk about it. You should know it. That's the whole point of doing this project, right? So again, if your project is about plant and animal cells, you got to know the difference between plant and animal cells. That's why I asked those questions. Again, we are going today, so we're moving on. Okay, so before you'll be going.
Just hang.
As soon as you take those headphones off. Okay, there you go. Sign out. Alright, so Zaya's out. She's good. I've got Jacob already went. Pierre will be back, hopefully.
Wait, so it's Pierre?
Yeah, you'll wait until he comes back.
He wants to play.
Kylan's not here right now. You're up. Elijah.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Again, when
I'm recording.
You don't need to record. Fine. I can post it. No, you're not. No, you're not.
all right.
No, stop. End it.
He's got something else. Okay, Kelly?
I'm not gonna post them.
All right, so when you guys are ready,
If you do cover up my face.
you can take it away. Let me know when you're gonna start.
I can't hear no beat. For the beat, you should use the clever. Mr. Johnson, we need a clever touch.
No, we're good.
You can plug it in via HDMI cord.
No, cause
I know how. You have to have a setting on.
Wait, we go. I'm crazy about Pierre. Crazy.
Is it on?
is it trying?
You might have to click on your display.
Oh, is it too loud?
We are.
It's still a song, so like,
Actually, no. You do the first part. I'll do the second part.
Hey, pause.
Back.
How?
That's good.
don't try to copy. Did they make that beat?
Yeah,
It's not even on anymore.
cause you muted it. You muted it.
No. Not yet. He on the phone. Not yet.
Okay. Thank you. We don't know yet. Okay. You can take it away when you're ready.
Should you just do the first part?
Remember, I'm looking for vocab, presentation, clarity, accuracy.
Okay.
How come it's not on the clever test? What happened?
Huh? It's the sound is on. We don't need the words on. I have the words right here. The nucleus is the boss, the brain of operation, holding all the DNA and genetic information. I'm the vacuole, the storage king, holding on to every little thing.
I went inside a cell to see how trees get so tall. Outside was the rigid cell wall, the cytoplasm stuff inside where all the cell parts go to hide. Check it, I'm the green machine, cytoplasm, turning sunlight into energy. That's what I'm built to last. Ribosomes, that's on a track, building up proteins and never looking back.
Oh yeah! That was not going on. I changed it. It was chloroplast. What are you doing? Hey,
Huh?
you're slow.
Keep.
Redo. The nucleus is the boss, the brain of operation, holding all the DNA and genetic information. I'm the vacuole, the storage king, holding onto every little thing.
I went inside a plant cell, see how the trees get so tall. On the outside was a rigid cell wall. Chloroplast, stuff inside. Wait. Chloroplast, stuff inside where it's supposed to go to hide. Check out, I'm the green machine. Chloroplast, turning into sunlight into energy. That's what I'm built to last. Ribosomes, dots on the track, building up proteins, never looking back. That's tough. Tough.
No, it was not.
That's really
We need to lock in.
I sent it to him 2 days ago, and he seems like this.
All right, great.
Tell everybody where you made that beat.
I made this on
Show 'em. Pull it up on
Incredible.
the, put it up on the cover test.
Wait, I can't. It's not on. Turn it on. There we go.
So, you guys wrote those lyrics, right?
Yes.
So, go line by
Shut
line.
up. Stop talking.
Go line by line. So the nucleus, start with that. Nucleus is the boss, the brain of the operation. Well, that makes sense. That's accurate because they control the cell, the activities of the cell, right? Holding all the DNA and genetic information, it sure does. So that's accurate, right? I'm the vacuole, the storage tank, holding on to every little thing. It stores food, it stores water, right? Perfect. Accurate information. Also, pretty clever rhyme, right? That's really.
Who do you think?
That's talented.
Who do you think?
Again,
It's good, it's good.
what's that next part? I went.
That's
I went-
Elijah's part.
I went inside a
Yeah,
plant
blow it
cell.
up a little bit. What's it say? I went inside
Sing it.
a plant cell
So,
to see.
see how
Trees get so tall. Around the outside was a rigid cell wall.
And the rigid cell wall. The rigid cell wall. That explains it really well.
I think they spent a lot because it was not.
Cytoplasm is the stuff inside where all the cell parts go inside. All the cell parts are in. Hey, why are you talking?
Me?
Anyone? No one's talking. Shh.
No, it was the twins.
Nobody is talking right now. Be quiet.
Bro, you're terrible on this shit, bro. Oh, hell.
Again, where all the cell parts go. Shh, you gotta stop. Stop. Stop making noise. Where all the cell parts go and hide. Well, that's just a clever way of saying all the cell organelles are inside the cytoplasm. Right? Stop making so much noise. You can be a considerate person. Okay. It says check the green machine on the chloroplast. Turn in sunlight into energy that's built to last. Okay? The green machine, the chloroplast is green. That's what the chlorophyll is at. It takes sunlight and turns it into energy. Right? The ribosomes are dots on a track, building up proteins, never looking back. What's a ribosome's job? Building proteins. That's structure and function. They did it in a creative, song-like way that they created on their own. You gotta get
Put the mouse on one of them.
All right.
Damn.
5, 6, 7, 8. So you hit 8 different cell organelles.
Alright, bet.
Anybody? You guys got anything else? Questions?
No.
Open it up.
Any questions? I bet.
Go ahead, man.
My question is, how did you come up with the lyrics?
We actually spent a long time writing those. I did, and then I sent it to him to practice, and then he sung them. So at first he was gonna sing the whole thing, but then we figured we should just both do it.
Any other questions?
As far, go ahead, Miles. Miles, say it louder so that everybody can hear
Two
you.
beats?
What made him pick what?
2 beats instead of all the rest of them, because all the rest of them were annoying and not good at all. So
Well,
we just
that's
picked
personal
those.
preference.
Yeah.
What's up, Bob? Maybe. Let's see.
Scroll up.
Yes.
No, scroll up.
All right. Listen, Miley, can you repeat that question?
Why didn't you pick all of them instead of...
All of the beats?
Well, because they listen. That one,
This is the one we wanted.
it's a personal preference. They
We both
wanted-
agreed on these.
First of all, I will make a comment too. That is actually the beat went well with like your song, so it
Just
flowed
going
pretty well.
tempo.
So I think it was a good decision, and I think your lyrics were actually really
The rest of
clever,
it. Oh.
and they were all super accurate with how you portrayed the specific organelle. So I loved it. As far as creativity goes, that's a 10 out of 10. You know, if you see.
Bet. Let's go, Jack.
All right. Go ahead. Nice job, you guys.
Now I want to change the name.
Be proud of yourselves for doing
We're
something
good.
outside the box.
We're good. Let's go.
Okay. Let's get the next group. We're gonna go.
I'm posting that shit. I'm posting that on YouTube, 100%. I'm posting that on YouTube.
No, do not, Elijah.
I'll blur out your face.
Yeah. Kelly, do you have the HDMI? Or you
I don't care.
Oh,